All right, they're great angels. Here we go with the math lesson. Today's math lesson is division facts, multiplication and division fact families. All right, so I think we already kind of know this, but I just want to make sure that we've all got it down. All right, so here's our new concept. We can learn division facts while we are learning multiplication facts. The same three numbers that make a multiplication fact also make a division fact. So you have 20 equals 4 times 5. Then 20 divided by 4 equals 5. See how they had the same three numbers, 24 and 5? When we multiply, we know the two factors. These are your factors, the 4 and the 5, the numbers you're multiplying. So when we multiply, we know the two factors. And we are looking at the product. That's the answer, the answer to a multiplication problem. When we divide, we know the product and one of the factors, and we are looking for the other factor. When dividing, we call these numbers the dividend, divisor, and quotient. So dividend is the big number you start with. So we have the dividend divided by the divisor equals the quotient. Now the quotient is the answer to a division problem. Okay, let's take a look at some examples. Find each quotient. Okay, so you have 24 divided by 6. Okay, so we read the 24 divided by 6 as 24 divided by 6. We may think 6 times what number equals 24. So think of the missing factor here. What times 6 is 24? Or 6 times something is 24. And since 6 times 4 is 24, the quotient or the answer is 4. So 24 divided by 6 is 4. Because 6 times 4 is 24, 4 times 6 is 24. All those help us to know that. Okay, so B, we have 24 divided by 4. Notice when we have this division bracket here, we say the number inside first. That's our dividend. 24 divided by 4, that's our divisor. And let's see. We read this as 24 divided by 4. We think what number times 4 equals 24? Since 6 times 4 is 24, the quotient is 6. So think, what's our missing number? What times 6 is 24? That's going to be your answer or your quotient. Since 6 times 4 is 24, that would go on top as our answer. 6 times 4 is 24. All right. The three numbers that make a multiplication fact can also be used to make a division fact. Together, the multiplication facts and their related division facts make up a fact family. So here we go. Here's the fact family. We have 2 multiplication facts and 2 division facts with the same 3 numbers, 4, 6, and 24, same that we used up here. So we have the same 3 numbers. 4 times 6 is 24, and then we can flip the factors. 6 times 4 is 24. And then here are division facts. Notice with the division facts, we start with the 24, the answer to our multiplication facts. We're going to start our division facts. These are dividends. So 24 divided by 6 equals 4, and 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Notice they're the same 3 numbers. All of them have 4, 6, and 24 in them. All right, let's look at another example on the next page. Oh, by the way, this is we're going to page 467 now, in case you are following along in your own book at home. Page 467. All right, example 2. Write 2 multiplication facts and 2 division facts using the numbers 6, 7, and 42. So we have 3 numbers, 6, 7, 42. We need 2 multiplication facts and 2 division facts. Here's our multiplication. 6 times 7 equals 42. 7 times 6 equals 42. They just flipped the factors, didn't they? And now our 2 division facts. 42 divided by 6 is 7. 42 divided by 7 is 6. Notice how the division facts started with the answer to the multiplication problems, right? They took the product of the multiplication problems and those turn into our dividend, or the first number of our division problems. Okay, and then they use the same three numbers. Okay, example 3. Write 2 multiplication facts and 2 division facts shown by this array. So here's our array. It looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going across, and 3 rows this way. Okay. So we've got 3 times 5 equals 15, and 5 times 3 equals 15. There's 5 times 3, or you could do 3 times 5. Or for division problems, you take the whole 15. You start with the whole 15. And you could go 15 divided by 5 is 3. And 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay? All right. Here's one more example one. Here we got to find the missing factor, right? We can use division fact families to find the missing factor. 3 times some number is 18. Well, let's think. What it would be the missing factor. 18 divided by 3 would be the same as 3 times what is 18? And that would be 6. You got it. 3 times 6 equals 18. Because 6 times 3 is 18. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. And 18 divided by 6 equals 3. So 6 was our missing number in our fact family. Okay, same with this one, B. M, their missing number, times 4 equals 36. Well, we could think, what times 4 is 36? Or 36 divided by 4 would be it. What number in our fact family is missing? And we could think 9, because 9 times 4 is 36. 4 times 9 is 36. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 36 divided by 9 is 4. So using our fact families, we know that our 9 is the missing number. All right. And then we're going to start with our lesson practice on our Google document that's attached with this lesson. All right. Have a great day, guys. Stay healthy, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.